Okay, we're here at the lab. We're going to demonstrate the flexibility on the Crest with the soft cut technique. We have a cutting die in here that has a specially made cutting rule for this application with creasing, and we're going to run 8 to 10 different materials that are you would typically make a different specification for, but we want to show you how flexible and consistent the press is because of the accuracy of the machine. The first item is going to be a 200-pound clay white B-flute. This particular sheet is the only one that's a little short. There's the cut. Crease with matrix. Beautiful. 200-pound clay white C-Flute. We have some surface fracture on the clay white because of the density and the concentration of cutting roll in that area. That would obviously be overcome with some rubbering techniques. But again, look at the creasing. Same crease, same die, haven't changed anything. This is a Fefco 427 cherry lock box. .32 ECT Kraft. No changing on the setup or make ready. And I think the thing we want to emphasize is how clean the edges are. One of the things we get with trying to do soft cut with some corrugated board is a customer does not want to see a fluted edge. They want to make it look like flatbed edge. Well, that's exactly what you get with this setup right here. It's just absolutely perfect. Here's with corrugation, cross corrugation creases. Now we're jumping up to 275 C-Flute. Very heavy paper. Let me take this, stick it up above the guy, it'll work. If I was running a job, it'd probably come up a little bit on the impression. Strip off what I can and show you the results. But again, jumping from 32 ECT E-Flute to 275, mainly just to show you the quality of the edge appearance of the cutouts. And the creasing. Now we'll get into typically what this cutting die has been made for. This has really been made specifically for Litho-Lam and E-Flute. This is a full label on a double backer E-Flute. Absolutely incredible. Here's an E-Flute digital print, direct digital print onto the E-Flute. Absolutely beautiful. There's the inside of the sheet. Clearly see the well-defined creases with the matrix. There's the creasing. That's width core. Here's cross core through the dark color to show you the quality. No serrated on the edges. Looks like it came off a flatbed. Steel to steel. Couple more. This is an F-Flute. Very, very heavy basis weight on the inside. Full label, looks like a 100-pound text, double backer. Extremely rigid paper. Almost feels like 80-point chipboard. Strap just falls right off. Same thing in the centers. Knock them out. Incredible. That's the F-Flute. Let's go through the creases again. Right through the solid red, solid blacks. No problem. Cross core through the solid black. No issue. Incredible definition with the microtrack. While we're at it, let's go on to some non-paper materials, or non-corrugated rather. Here's a 4mm Coroplast. Coroplast can be a very difficult product to cut steel to steel because when the cutting rule gets dull, this material has such high tensile you can't rip it. As we know with paper, you get a partial cut, you probably can tear it and still salvage the carton. With this, you can't. A little bit short on the depth. I want to make a complete box if I can. No change on the impression. Look at that crease definition. I'll actually fold this up right in front of you. Because as we know, creasing Coroplast can be, especially across the corrugation, can be a very difficult thing to do. Absolutely incredible. Incredible definition, beautiful edge appearance. Two more, believe it or not, 45-point clay-coated chip. Same crease, same as before. Incredible definition, similar to the other ones. Across the grain, with the grain, and focus in on the beauty of the edge. Looks like it was cut with non-serrated rule. It's beautiful. 0 make ready. And then while we're at it, without changing the setting, let's see what happens with double wall. 275 Kraft double wall. Same thing this here we had with the clay-coated C-Flute. This will be dealt with rubber. Furthermore, our matrix is really deep because we designed it to work with those F and E-Flute laminated jobs. So I think what's happening, we got excessive amount of draw going on. Believe me, that could get taken care of very easily. What I want to show you is the flexibility of the creasing with corrugation, across the corrugation, and then the fact that it cut complete, a little bit low on the bottom, we come up a half a click. Would be good to go here. That's the only area. No need to patch, we just bring the impression up. But look at that definition and the resistance of bend to fold. It's so easy to bend, so easy to fold. Anyone doing any kind of corrugated conversion in short runs, you know, several thousand and under, want fast changeover, single minute exchange of dies, this is the way to go. You can jump from E-Flute to F-Flute to Litho-Lam to plastic core, solid fiber with one rule and one press, one setting on the pad.